Well, well, let's just do it. Oh, fantastic. Sound on even. Woohoo. So, what should we play? I have activated my 15% because I'm thoroughly gonna kick ass. The problem is I have stopped drinking the magical aiming water. Purely 0 calories, 0 percentages. Makes it a little bit difficult playing games. So, yeah. Okay, let's bring it on. Bring it on. Make me depressed. And yes, I can see somebody has written to me during live streams. I can see shit. I only got one screen. I really like this one. I should have more. Something to do with how fast I go or stuff like that. Only one with camouflage. What the hell? Are you telling me that they got a life? Oh, look at my body. May you snipe well. Microphone is far away, but nobody understands me. It's totally gibberish I am speaking at the moment. Oh yeah? That is fantastic! What an idiot. I shouldn't bother you playing this game. Oh my god. Yes. The 3 Muppeteers. No. And we can see already there's an enemy there shooting off his machine gun. So he's absolutely murdering everybody. That guy at Delta 3. Oh my god, he was like right there, man. Yes. Well, he had like oh, I'm doing French speeds in reverse. We are regrouping Well, I should have been dead. Well, what the hell? He didn't see me. That's why. Very strange.
The enemy's getting closer to victory.
Yes, of course they are. Oh my god. Go away. And where are you at?
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
It was in front of me. Yeah. Oh, that light tank. I really like it. It's really fantastic. I didn't play this one, as I always say.
Attention to the map.
Really? Okay, there's an aircraft, huh? Oh my god! Yes! Well, it's utter pointless playing this game. Oh. Done. Look at them, here they are. I can't do shit. It's like here, here's that stupid French tank, I think.
Verstanden. Seitenrichtern sind repariert. Thank you very much. Wielders of the flag, yeah, we will win. Attention to the map.
Oh, come on. Yeah, look at that. That's the bastard.
Attention to the designated grid square. Leber ausgefallen. Attention to the map. Ziel zerstört. Getriebe ausgefallen.
How the hell? What? Ah, yes, of course.
Allied forces have captured a zone.
But at least I got a kill. Yeah, of course. And I'm also rushing as a Muppet. You know. Yeah, I forgot. Oh. Oh my lord. He's right there. Ah, 6. Where is he at? Looks like right there.
Fertig machen zum Motor an. Starte Motor. Kette repariert. Schon getroffen. Motor brennt.
I couldn't see him. What the hell? Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. I have to watch if I'm getting much poorer. Should take. I'm not ready for that. No. Let's just do this. Just got myself another beer, so-called beer. No, Pepsi it is. Normally, or prior, we'll need the rum, one Pepsi. Thank you. Come again. No. Okay. Still can't play the DF. People are mocking me with lack of. I don't have any bullets. Or too many bullets, that is. Too many shells.
Effektbereitschaft herstellen. Kraftfahrer bereit. Lichtschütze bereit.
I am very discreet. You cannot have enough red in nature. As we all know, perfect camouflage. Okay. Somebody's definitely going to try to outflank us here and shoot into the staging area. As usual.
Allied forces have captured a zone.
Oh, cannot. Again? Rushing like a goddamn muppet. I know I'm gonna poke my head out, I'm gonna be deader than a carrot. Oh my god.
Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Charlie 1. Zerschlagen.
Charlie, 1. Bestätige Koordinaten. Aufgefasst. Abgefeuert.
He's like the area. Okay, what can we see here?
Allied forces have captured a zone.
I can't remember the scouting position. Scouting. Heck. Oh my lord. No No one's there? What the hell? What the? What's going on here?
Attention to the map.
You're not at there? So definitely somebody needs to be here. There he is. Oh, run, 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 Forrest. Oh, he's like here. Yes, of course.
Attention to the map. We're ahead of the enemy.
My buddy there, did he shoot him? And we're gonna take this. Natsunator. Of course, you know, just to let them know that I'm here. You know, of course, I will always like to give away my fighting position. That's like look at that. That's okay. What can I see?
310. Flight. 200 meters.
Vorladung geladen! Vorladung geladen!
What was it now? Like this?
Erste Aufschläge in Kürze.
Ah, far away, huh? Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. So, I excel of playing bait. For sure, that must be like a or lack of patience, whatever. Uh, 14 hours and 50 minutes until my 3D print is done. Oh my dear. And what else do I got? I think I started on the US line army, yeah? Yeah, barely. Russia, no. Promised myself when I complete the German tank line I will stop playing this game, but that's gonna take forever. So in practical terms that means I will never quit. And if people are messaging here yelling at me, I can't see it because I will go for A, fast as a shark, and of course I would definitely not go for
attack the D point.
no. What's the speed of this thing? 68. What was that? It was we. Pow. Oh, pow with. Yeah. We're gonna master blaster. Okay.
Attention to the designated grid zone.
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Oh,
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
no, just range that. He was shot from behind.
Rückwärts, Marsch! Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Delta 3. Stören. Delta
Oh.
3. Bestätige Koordinaten. Aufgefasst. Abgefeuert.
Attention to the map.
The enemy's getting closer to victory.
Yeah, we are attentioning to that beautiful bastard. Somebody knows that I'm there. Thank you for the warning.
Attention to the map. Attention to the
Ah! Of course I can't hit for shit. Oh my god. Getting depressed.
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
What else do we need to level here actually? There's only my looks. That's fine. Let's take this one. Yeah. Well, in for a gram, in for a kilogram, huh? It's not the same. In for a penny, in for a pound. Yeah.
Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Delta 6. Zerschlagen. Delta 6. Bestätige Koordinaten. Aufgefasst. Abgefeuert.
attack the A point.
We need to put more pressure on the enemy. They're winning.
Attack the B point.
Actually, it's months ago since I played this game, so yes, there's my excuse for you. He's like there.
Attention to the map. Abgefeuert.
Allied forces have captured a zone.
No. don't know what I'm doing.
Attention to the map.
Like always. Just trying to get the head. He's like there, and he's shooting. Oh,
Attention to the map.
where? Straight from the back. He managed to. He's like there. It's in the open even. Ah. Is it now when I should uninstall, or is it now, or is it after I had my Pepsi Max here? Losing money like losing isk. Well, there's no way around it. Can't play if I haven't got any. And not isk, that's EVE Online. Or Iceland Kroners. Yeah, same. Minus 2,000. Oh,
Kraftfahrer bereit. Lichtschütze bereit.
what is this map? Oh yeah, this one. Okay, here it is. Didn't I see the bastard somewhere? Trying to missile my ass.
Allied forces have captured a zone. Another zone captured. We have the advantage.
Okay. Oh my god, this is nerve-wracking. I thought I had a body there, huh? Apparently not. What should I take? I should let's bring on the PZH. Let's stick our nose where it doesn't belong. Somewhere around here.
We've captured most of the strategic zones.
What a beautiful tank. Deflection not existing. Okay. Can't see.
Ziel ausgeschaltet!
Sprenggranate geladen.
Use binoculars, they're free, they say. Oh, I can.
Enemy forces have captured the zone.
Sprenggranate
Oh,
Sprenggranate geladen!
Keep the pressure on. Victory is close.
Milo Mindbender. What then? Don't think. Oh, nice, yeah. Probably was that a Russian. I can punch through anything.
Attack the B point.
Defend the B point. Defend the A point.
Wir wurden getroffen! Getroffen! Ziel zerstört! Vorladung geladen! Wir wurden getroffen! Vorladung geladen! Wir wurden getroffen!
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Oh my god. Yes, of course. I didn't know I was that far up the hill. that I can just hear it. You suck. You suck. He's coming for me. What is he?
Wir wurden getroffen. Wir verlieren Kraftstoff. Motor ausgefallen. Entfliehen!
Scimitar. Yeah.
We are losing.
Mm-hmm. $127,000 because my problem is this. No. Choose a crew. Oh. And there's some I had problems with I had liquidity problems somewhere. Not anymore. Anyways, I think that was that. That was humiliation. Or just bad playing of me. Anyways, have a fantastic day, and we will see each other again somewhere on the internet. Hopefully for some